Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out your character by mouse wheel in Unreal Engine 5. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more Unreal Engine tutorials. Thank you. Alright, first from Edit tab I open up project settings, and from input section here I create a new axis mapping and I name it zooming. And now here I need two input, one for zooming and another one for zooming out. So first here I click on this icon right here and I press mouse wheel, scroll up, and here you see mouse wheel axis input and scale should be 1. And now here I hit this add icon, and now I create another input for zooming out, and this time I scroll down my mouse wheel and here I set scale to -1. Okay, now I close this project settings, and now I open my character blueprint, which in this case it is BP underscore third person character. And here inside event graph I right click and search for my zooming input that I just created. Now I drag and drop my camera boom component here, and from this component I drag a node and search for set target arm length, and I connect it to this input. And here again I drag and drop my camera boom component, and this time I drag a node and search for get target arm length. Now from here, this axis value I drag a node, and here I multiply it by a variable called zoom scale. So here I right click and promote this input to a variable and I name it zoom scale. Now I compile and I set default value of this float variable to, for example, 5. And here I drag a node and I add another multiply node, and here I insert -1. And now from this target arm length variable I drag a node and add this add node. Now I connect this one to here and this one to here. And now from here I drag a node and search for a clamp float node. Alright, and here I should insert a minimum and a maximum for my target arm length, and as you can see default value of target arm length is 400, but in this case I want to set minimum to 200 and maximum to, for example, 800. And finally I connect this return value to this setter of my target arm length variable. Okay, now I compile and close my character blueprint, and now I run the game, and as you can see by scrolling with mouse wheel I can zoom in and zoom out to my character. But in this case, in this video, you see some lagging in my zooming, and that is because of my mouse has a problem and I have a problem with my mouse wheel. But you will be okay if you have a good and correct mouse. Alright, if this tutorial was useful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.